Well, there are three main paths inside Piano Professor, and you may belong to more than one. Now, if you teach piano in a classroom, private studio, school, group program, or another setting, your path will include workshops, honest strategy, conversations, classroom systems, teaching hacks, group piano ideas, and a place to trade little secrets that make teaching easier. And there's going to be a curriculum that you'll see from the beginning of the year how to start, how to build community in your own classrooms. Now, you do not need the Piano Professor app to use all those things I said. They're still going to be there. But the things I did put in there, I am absolutely using myself. And if you are a parent or caregiver, your path will help you understand what early piano learning should look like and how to support practice without turning it into a fight. You can just be their parent. You could just do that. And you could do it with them. You know, what tools may help, when a teacher should take the next step, when a parent should take the next step, when a student, all those things you're going to learn. And if you're learning yourself, you're going to basically give yourself foundational guidance and encouragement, a place to ask questions. You can use Piano Professor if you want, but you do have to buy to begin the learning here in a way that gamifies it. You do not have to use my app to do that, though. I think that when you're doing it yourself, it's really important in its fast learning if you do choose an app. I do want to let you know that being a founder, though, I charge less for one time for those who get in, or founders. I charge one time less than I would if I did a coaching or if I did a piano lesson with you. And so the app's going to grow with all of you and whatever you choose to share with me. And if that ends up being a great idea, we're going to implement that in the app. Choose the path that fits you today. You're always clear to change whatever you want, but I find that finding goals in here, it'll help you. Also, if you have an accountability buddy, if you know somebody who needs this, bring them in. I think it's important to grow together, so it's just not us, but it's somebody you actually know in person. I think that's important. So bring them in if you know them. It'll be really cool. Feel free to share that. And I'm going to go ahead and show you where you can do that. If you go to About and you go to members, and you go to over here, invite. There's an invite code, and you can copy that. And you could send that to them. And they could come straight in, and then you guys could grow together. That would be cool. So it's good for us all to be able to be one in this journey together. How do I stop this?